Hey guys, this is my new tripod and I just got it delivered, and let's do the unboxing. Now that I've fought through all the tape, I'll just bring it out. This is VCT-888RM Simpex silica gel for moisture, and these are the spare the rubber pads for the legs, and let's take it out. This comes with a bag, of course, and this looks like a good quality bag. Basically, when I was buying this, I was confused between buying the 691 or buying the 888. I was not sure which of the two should I get, but I'll explain this in a bit. So this is what it looks like, and yeah. Oh, it feels very smooth. I mean, you can lock the legs. For the level indication, there's a bubble level indicator legs. There's 3 folds of them, one by one you can open, and it's gonna extend. So 1, 2, and 3. So this extends. I'm gonna do that in a bit. Alright guys, so now the tripod is all set up. I have not extended it all the way to its full height, which is 149 centimeters for the sake of the video. So I just extended 2 of the legs, and this is where it stands. I'm on my knees right now, so this is a little bit what it looks like. You just open these clips, and then the telescopic legs are just gonna fall out, and then you just lock it in place. There's also this bubble indicator which gonna, there's the bubble which will tell you that you're even or on level or not. Apart from that, once you're satisfied, then you just turn this knob in the lock position. So there are 2, one is unlocked and one is locked. When you lock it, then the legs, they just stay the way they are. Now, this is, as I already mentioned, this is the VCT-691. Now, why I bought this over the 888 is because this part, I wouldn't say this is the main part, because the build quality and the material are equally important, but this is definitely very, very important in terms of your pan movements and the tilt movements. This part is exactly the same on 691 and 888. And there's quite a significant price difference between the two. So for me, if you're a photographer or a videographer who's really a pro level, who is very particular, and if you're upgrading, then yes, probably you can consider a 888. But for an entry level guy, or if you're upgrading from a smaller tripod to something which is a little more a real tripod, then this is absolutely suitable. And as I said, this is more than enough for indoor shoots. If you really if you're really one of these adventure videographers, then probably you'll need to get something heavier. But this at the moment is it's 1.4 kilograms. This is lightweight, this is portable, you can carry it in your bag without really worrying about it. You can carry it as a check-in baggage in your flight, and you don't have to worry about the weight aspect so much. It feels good, the weight of it, and also this part is exactly the same what you're gonna get in the 888 and 691. So and this is really important you would know this. If you're looking at this video, you would know how important this is, and probably this is one of the main reasons why you want to upgrade yourself to a tripod. Right. What I want to say about the legs is that, this is also a little bit common sense, but the lowest leg has the thinnest, this material. So when you want to increase the height of the tripod, you have to go from top down. So that means this, then the next one, and then finally the last one. The last one is the thinnest, so probably it's going to be a little bit more shaky the more it goes. Same with this. It can go up to a height of around, it's all, I don't want to go too much into the particulars, but it says it can go up maybe around 50 centimeters. But the thing is, when you really need that shot, first is you must extend the legs. And when you're like happy, or if you're not happy and you still want more, then is when you do this, because the more you do this, there's a weight on top of this. There's a weight on top of this, which is the camera. This can actually hold up to 3 kilos, and the 888 can hold up to 5 kilos. So that's like one of these differences. I mean, if you have a DSLR which is like really heavy and you have a lens and you have different mounts on it, then yes, probably you'll get more stability in a 888. But for me, this is suitable enough for me, so that's why I got this one. Looking at the build quality, the finish, it's quite good, and it just cost me 2,500 bucks. So it's quite good value for money. So this is definitely very good price for this. The one which I bought, I'm gonna put a description link in that. Alright guys, so that was something about the tripod itself, the setup and unboxing. I gave my reasons regarding why I chose the 691 over the 888. And if you agree with them, or if you don't agree with them, let me know in your comments. And if you found this video informative, useful, let me know that as well. If you're looking to an upgrade, then this is definitely something you can go for. As I said, the link is in the description below, and also for the 888 if you'd like to go for that. I'm gonna put some more of these tripod links just in case, because for me, I was a researcher. I mean, my shortlist were maybe 4 or 5 models, out of which I decided this one, so I'm gonna put them in the link as well, and you can check it out. Good luck with your purchase, and if you found this video interesting, informative, helpful anyway, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Alright, enjoy.